Have you ever pondered about the top-notch AI websites that can revolutionize the marketing landscape? Today, we delve into a curated list of 7 of the best AI websites that have made a significant impact in the marketing world. First on our list is Pathmatics. This website offers a digital marketing intelligence platform. It's a gem for marketers as it provides insights into competitors' advertising strategies. By employing AI, Pathmatics reveals where competitors place their ads, the creatives used, and how much they're spending. It's like having a spy in the enemy's camp, giving you the upper hand in the marketing battlefield. Next, we have Persado. Persado takes a unique approach to marketing by using AI to generate the most effective marketing language. It's like having a wordsmith at your disposal, crafting compelling content that resonates with your audience. It leverages machine learning to analyze data and predict the emotional impact of language on the audience. Third on our list is MarketMuse. This platform uses AI to accelerate content planning, creation, and optimization. MarketMuse is like your personal content strategist, providing insights on what to write about and how to write it to rank higher in search results. Next up is Crayon. Crayon is a market intelligence platform that employs AI to track and analyze a brand's complete digital footprint. It's like having a private investigator, meticulously tracking every move of your competitors so you can stay one step ahead. Fifth on the list is Optimizely. This website uses AI to provide A/B testing, making it easier to understand what works and what doesn't in your marketing strategy. Optimizely is like your personal marketing scientist conducting experiments to help you make data-backed decisions. Next, we have PaveAI. This platform uses AI to turn Google Analytics data into insightful, actionable reports. PaveAI is like your personal data analyst, crunching numbers and transforming them into strategies that drive results. Finally, we have Drift. This website uses AI to provide a conversational marketing platform. Drift is like your personal chatbot, engaging with customers in real time, generating leads and moving them down the sales funnel. In summary, these 7 AI websites, Pathmatics, Persado, MarketMuse, Crayon, Optimizely, PaveAI, and Drift, each offer unique AI-driven tools to empower your marketing strategy. They provide competitive insights, content strategy, market intelligence, A/B testing, data analysis, and conversational marketing. By leveraging these platforms, marketers can gain an edge in the competitive world of digital marketing. Remember, in marketing, knowledge is power. And with AI, you hold the power to transform your marketing strategy.